FS Chief General Manager, Ordnance Factory Trichy, and Chairman of Vidyalaya Management Committee, PM Sri KV number 1 Trichy, Srimati Kirti Srivastava ji, President WWA OFT branch, distinguished members of Vidyalaya Management Committee, other VIP guests, respected parents, learned staff members, and dear students, good morning to all. It gives me immense pleasure to extend my heartfelt welcome to all of you on this auspicious occasion of Annual Sports Day. We are deeply honored to have our chief guest with us, Sri Sanjay Kumar Srivastava ji, Srimati Kirti Srivastava madam. Sir, madam, your presence is really a source of inspiration for all of us, especially for our young athletes. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the distinguished members of Vidyalaya Management Committee, other VIP guests, and parents present here who accepted our invitation, spared some valuable time from their busy schedule, and be the part of this program. Now coming to this Annual Sports Day, this day holds a very important place in the calendar of our institution because Annual Sports Day is the celebration of the spirit of youth and sportsmanship. Nowadays, games and sports are not considered as the extracurricular activities or co-curricular activities. But now these days, games and sports are the integral part of our curriculum. It is because of National Education Policy 2020, according to which the main goal of education is holistic development of children, which covers all the three domains of development: cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. Psychomotor development means physical development, which depends on games and sports. All those who are playing games and sports regularly, they will be fit and fine, healthy. Means there will be proper physical development. And if they are fit and fine, healthy, their capacity, competency, capability, efficiency will be more, and they will be able to contribute in the growth and development of our country in best possible manner, and they will be able to help Government of India to achieving its target of Viksit Bharat by 2047. So in this way we can say that the goal of Government of India Viksit Bharat depends on the capacity, capability, efficiency, competency of our young generation, which depends on their health status, physical development, which depends on games and sports. In this way we can easily understand the importance of games and sports. And due to this only Government of India is giving lot of emphasis to promotion of games and sports. Now there is one more thing. There are three pillars of our personality: knowledge, understanding. Second one is emotion. And third one is our physical health status. If any one out of these three pillars is weak, our personality becomes vulnerable. So in this way we can say that physical health means games and sports are as important as cognitive development and emotional development. There is another aspect also. These games and sports not only promote the physical health, but these inculcate the values of discipline, teamwork, mutual respect also. which is very important for personality development. I would like to appreciate the efforts of our children, our students, who have been practicing throughout the year with lots of dedication, devotion and commitments, and because of their efforts only, we have been producing excellent result in the field of games and sports year after year, conducted by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan or by some other sports authorities. Credit goes to Physical Education Department also. I would like to congratulate all the members of Physical Education Department who have been guiding, supporting, training our students, and because of their guidance and support, our students are excelling in the field of games and sports. I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the dedicated staff members who have been working tirelessly from last few days to make this program a grand success. अंत में एक बार फिर से मैं अपने हृदय की गहराइयों से अपने पूरे विद्यालय परिवार की तरफ से आप सभी लोगों का हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करता हूं और परमपिता परमेश्वर से ये प्रार्थना करता हूं कि इस आयोजन को सफल बनाएं। धन्यवाद। लेट द गेम्स बिगिन।